Slime day today.
I got mint.
Look
Blue.
at bees. This is bees.
This is Z's.
That's Z's. B's and Z's. Mind your B's and Z's.
This.
Z, try to get that off the table. That piece and mix it with the other ones.
This?
Yeah. That piece right there on the table. Yeah. Ooh. Hurry, hurry.
Oh, jeez.
It's yours, bub.
So this
Is
wasn't
it
the
that
epic
fun?
fail?
Is it that fun?
Yeah,
It almost was.
almost.
Luckily, we add more laundry detergent.
Tight. I was gonna be like, huh? Did you guys spill glitter?
What happened to all the glitters? I don't even see anything shiny anymore.
It's right here. It's on the plate. Yeah. Here, I'll put it in the sun.
No.
It's shining.
Man, Z, your hands are like...
What? Hands are worse than mine, I think.
Now what do you do? Just do that?
No.
What do you do with slime? Just go up and down with it?
Play with it. Shining. Wait, I have to get all the excess stuff off so it can
You gotta make sure everything is mixed in like
good.
very well. Because if you don't see all these around like the sides of your plate. Smells good though.
Smells like Tide. I think it smells like Tide and pink.
Okay. Goodbye.
No. My dad is drinking beer. Just kidding. Tea.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Beer.
Beer.
It's too early in the morning for beer.
Even though he don't drink beer. Yeah. He used to when he was younger. I like how you see strings.
Spider webs. Z, you're just going lower and lower with it. Don't just play it on your plate, babe. By the time you know, it'll be all over the ground.
And I already know Caden's gonna lose his slime because of Vina. By this time, she's gonna She's gonna lose her slime.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.